Hi guys! We've now finished developing the game we're going to be building in our 2D top-down shooter series. You can now try out two versions of the game on our website. We have one where the character shoots in the direction it's moving, and another where you can aim with the mouse or the right thumbstick. Give them a try, and if you want, let us know your top score. Also, let us know if you find any bugs or issues so we can fix them. Finally, we've made the project files available to our all-access patrons, so you can explore how it all works while you're waiting for the videos to be released. Speaking of patrons, we want to say a big thank you to all those currently supporting us and helping to keep the channel going. Thanks guys!